Hey lovelies, my name is Sweets and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited you've decided to stop by. Here at my channel, we dive deep into tutorials that will help you create digital products for either yourself or to be able to sell to others. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned expert, there's something for everyone. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the fun. And if you like what you see, don't hesitate to share with your family or friends. I'm always open to feedback and suggestions, so feel free to drop a comment or reach out and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thank you for being here and let's jump right in. Thank you for joining me. So today I will be going over how to link your template link into a PDF document. So for this example, this is my A Sweet Pumpkin is on the Way invitation. And this is my thank you page. So I have at the top, thank you for your purchase. And then I have a promo code for their next purchase. And I'm showing the product that they're receiving. I have a link to use the code, which will bring them back to my shop to be able to use the promo code. There is a freebie that I also provide if they click on the link on the bottom left, and then they can access their Canva template link by clicking on the click here button. And if they click here, if you click here in Canva, you can see that it has a little box with an arrow. That means that the link is there. So basically what you would do is you would have the text, and then you would right click on it, click on link, and then you would paste in your link. And then this is the template link that you get from Canva. And you would click done. And then you check it and make sure that it shows this little box with the arrow. And then you can click on this and it will bring you can test it out. And by getting that template link, you click share. You can either see it here, it says template link. So I used it recently, so it's right here. If you can't see it, you can click more, and then template link is right here. And that's where you would get the link from your invitation that you created, not this PDF, right? So when you're ready to download your PDF, you want to click download. You want to make sure it's a PDF standard, because that way all the links will still work. And then I have multiple pages on here, so you want to make sure you have the right one, and you click on your page if you have more than one, and then you click done, and it'll download. And then you're able to upload this thank you page. Like say if you're gonna sell your invitation Canva template link in Etsy, when they ask you for your digital download, like the link that you're going to provide, the upload you're going to provide, you're going to upload this PDF document. And then, so the customer, when they purchase, they'll get this PDF document, and then they'll be able to click on the link, and it'll bring them directly to Canva, and it'll have them open up the Canva template link. Or the Canva template, but it'll show like a copy of it, so they'll have their own copy. Just remember, if you update the original copy that you have, it will update all of the other copies, so make sure you don't update that unless you really want to. Okay, thanks for joining. Hope you got some valuable information and hope this helps. Thank you for watching, lovelies. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.